I would like to introduce Conestoga's Hearing Instrument Specialist Program. So it's designed to prepare students for a rewarding career in hearing healthcare. So this program is a 2-year Ontario College Diploma, and it also combines theory knowledge as well as hands-on training and clinical experience to equip graduates for professional practice. Looking at the admission requirements, we have a focus on English, mathematics, and biology. And also to the right are listed all the language requirements for this program. Okay, career opportunities. This is always a great slide to talk about. So this program opens up a really wide range of rewarding positions in the field of hearing healthcare. So graduates are equipped to work in various settings and roles, providing essential support to patients and making a real impact on the quality of others' lives. So positions that graduates can pursue is a hearing instrument specialist, audiology assistant, where they support audiologists with hearing tests and patient care, a hearing health advisor, where they educate patients on hearing health and assist in outreach programs, clinic manager, and hearing aid sales consultant or technician, to name a few. And then various work settings that a graduate may find themselves in are hearing clinics and private practices, hospitals and ENT clinics where they support larger healthcare teams, retail hearing aid centers, or community programs and long-term care facilities where they educate and assist specific populations such as seniors. Looking at the key highlights of this program. So this program is designed to provide students with a strong foundation in hearing healthcare, focusing both on technical skills and patient care. We have a combination of modern facilities, hands-on training, and industry recognition. And after graduation, students are well prepared to enter the workforce and excel in their careers in the field of hearing healthcare. So this is a 2-year Ontario College Diploma. We have access to modern audiology labs with hands-on experience and up-to-date equipment that is used in assessments and fittings, giving students practical exposure to the tools that they would use on the job. Industry recognition certification. So this prepares graduates to pursue registration with a professional body after graduation, such as the Association of Hearing Instrument Practitioners of Ontario, to become a licensed specialist, as well as a clinical placement. So it's an essential part of the program in the 3rd semester where students gain real-world experience in patient care. They can work with diverse populations, develop practical skills, and establish industry connections. The Hearing Instrument Specialist program has courses such as Acoustics and Psychoacoustics, Anatomy and Physiology of the Ear, which provide a deep understanding of how hearing works. Students learn about hearing aids and clinical principles to master fittings and patient care, while the audiometry focuses on conducting hearing assessments. Once again, real-world experiences gained through field placement, preparing graduates to excel in the hearing healthcare industry.